Hello, this is Manohar. I welcomes to my YouTube channel. Now I want to came here to introduce who are preparing for the APSET exam and Telangana state exam as well as Maharashtra state set exam. In that general paper, general paper 1 we want to introduce. I came here. So in that general paper there are 10 units are there. In that 10 units, each unit carries 5 questions and each question carry 2 marks. So each unit carries total 10 marks. So that's why this each and every unit is most important for us, especially for AP set exam student who for there is a only hardly is one week is there. So in that time this video lecture is very useful, especially in that general paper. Most important and beautiful chapter is people and environment. This is the most useful and important topic for the who are going to the set exam. So in that people and environment crash course I am giving. So in this crash course I will give the most keywords glance of this people and environment. So before going to this people and environment chapter, you must all subscribe my YouTube channel and share to your friends and like this video. Okay, now in this chapter, now I want to introduce first one, pollution and pollutant. Most accept is pollution and pollutant. In that pollution, there is only one question they will ask. Must and should they will ask one question in this topic, in this accept. So pollution means, first of all, pollution means the presence of harmful or hazardous or poisonous substances in the environment is known as a pollution. So that means which presents harmful things or harmful substances or hazardous substances present in the environment are known as pollution. Again, next, pollutants. Pollutant means which substances make the environment pollute is called pollutant. So that means by definition is pollutant is something that pollutes the environment. That means which substance pollutes the environment is known as pollutants. So in this main pollution, main main accept is causes of pollution. Here types of causes of pollution are three types. Causes of pollution are mainly three types. Number one, causes for the air pollution. This is a major topic of the air pollution. Causes of air pollution. Next, a reason for soil pollution. Next, a reason for water pollution. These are three are the main causes for pollution: air pollution, soil pollution, and water pollution. Next, one by one, we will discuss. First one, causes of pollution. The causes for the air pollution, main thing is greenhouse effect. In this causes of pollution, they must ask one question. Okay, in that first greenhouse effects. This greenhouse effect affected by these things: water vapor, carbon dioxide, and methane. These three are elements affected the environment, that is called greenhouse effect. Air pollution. Greenhouse effect is the main cause for air pollution. These three things are affected mainly, which are in the environment: water vapor, carbon dioxide, and methane. Next thing is CFCs. This is also most important one, which is of the causes of pollution. CFCs. CFCs means chlorofluorocarbons. CFCS means chlorofluorocarbons. This abbreviation also most important. This is asked in so many entrance examinations. Very important. CFCS means chlorofluorocarbons. And also they ask this CFCS emitted by which gadgets or which things. So this chlorofluorocarbons emitted from the electronic gadgets. This is also most important question of pollution. Next, components. What are the components of causes for the air pollution? Main components are NO, nitrogen oxide. Nitrogen oxide, NO is the main component, and CO, carbon monoxide. This carbon monoxide emitted from the vehicles. So due to the lockdown time, in the worldwide, the carbon monoxide is percentage reduced. Due to that reduction of carbon monoxide, the worldwide rainfall is increased. We observe like this. So that's why CO is emitted from the every vehicles. Okay. Next, one more most important component is carbon dioxide, that is CO2, which pollutes the air pollution. So next, sulfur dioxide, SO2, is one more component of the causes for air pollution. These four are the main components of the air pollution. Next, causes for pollution. Next, causes for pollution. Next thing is reason for the soil pollution. Reason for the soil pollution. So what are the reasons for the soil pollutions? Are industrial waste. Nowadays so many industrial are there. So in from that industries, so much of waste product is there. So due to that waste product, that soil is polluted. So this is one of the major reason. Next, deforestation. Deforestation. Nowadays, uh, for constructing the buildings, for establishing the industries, so many areas, so many lands are occupied by the industries, which is cultivated lands are occupied by lands and industries by deforestation. This is one more major reason for the soil pollution. Next, excessive use of fertilizers and pesticides. Nowadays, all farmers are massive use of chemicals used in the crops while they are farming. In that time, they are using massive chemicals of in the form of fertilizers and pesticides. So due to that, this is soil is very polluted. So this is a major reason for soil pollution. Next, garbage pollution. In urban areas, garbage is a major thing to pollute the soil pollution. Next one is causes of pollution. Next one is reason for water pollution. This is also one of the major pollution causes of the pollution. So what are the reasons of the water pollution? Are main first one is sewage and wastewater. Okay, in so many urban areas and so many villages are clothing the cloths by tanks itself. So due to that, cleaning the cloth by using soaps and shampoos, the water will polluted. And also sewages water, waste water, bathing water, drainage water pollute the water pollution. Next, industrial waste. So industrial waste also pollute the water. So next, acid rains. Due to that, acid rain also will fall. This acid rains pollute the water. Next, what are the effects of pollution? Major next to aspect is effects of pollution. Which affects the pollution? So main is effects of air pollution is global warming. Due to that, global warming, the environment is in the environment, the temperature will increase due to that air is polluted. Next, climate change. Climate change also most effect of air pollution. Next, acid rains also one of the next. Next, smog. This smog is very important. What is meant by smog? Like this, ask in the pre entrance common entrance examinations. So many common examinations they will ask. What is meant by smog? Smog means smoke and fog. We will we will observe in Delhi early morning 10 o'clock in at 10 o'clock also the visibility is not clear visibility is not there in that city. Why? Because there is a lot of vehicles are there. Smoke and fog is a mixture of smoke and fog is nothing but smog. So that's why smog is nothing but smoke and fog. This is also very important question which was asked in the previous examination. Next main effect of air pollution is soil pollution. Effects of soil pollution. In that effects of soil pollution, climate change also major effect. Next, loss of soil fertility. So due to that soil pollution, that soil lose the fertility capability. So next, desertification. This is a desertification question. Which country or which Kanda is most desertification nowadays? Means Africa. So this question is asked in the previous examination. So which country or which Kanda is most desertificated nowadays? Means Africa. So due to next one more effect is impact and human health. These are the major effects of soil pollution. If you satisfied this topic, move on to the next topic, that is effects on pollution. Next topic is effects of water pollution. Effects of water pollution is destruction of ecosystem. Due to that destruction of ecosystem, the water are also polluted. In seas, so many ice blocks are melted. Due to that sea level will suddenly increase and decrease will occur. So next, disruption of food chain. Food chain also most distracted. Next, diseases. Due to that water pollution, so many diseases will comes. Next, main important another topic in this people and environment is important dates. In this important dates, they will ask one question. So World Forest Day, 21st. So this is also very easy important topic by arranging the chronological order. So in that way we arrange the chronological order, we will remember easily. So that's why I arranged the chronological order, the important days which is occur in throughout year. So World Forest Day is 21st March. Next, World Water Sanitation Day is 22nd of March. Next, World Resource Day is 23rd of March. Next one, World Atmosphere Day is 10th of April. Next, Earth Day is 22nd of April. Next, World Environment Day is 5th June. Next, World Population Day is 11th of July. Next, World Wildlife Day is 6th of October. World Energy Conservation Day is 14th of November. AIDS Day is 1st of December. So, like this chronological way, we arranged, then only we will remember easily. So, I give all the most important popular dates I give here. Now, I move on to the next topic, that is very useful and most important, convention and meetings. In this convention and meeting, they will ask minimum two questions. Minimum two questions they will ask 100%. Okay, then that convention and meetings, most important one is Kyoto Protocol. Kyoto Protocol is the most important convention. So in Kyoto Protocol, what is the aim of Kyoto Protocol is international treaty and climate change is the main aim of Kyoto Protocol, international treaty on climate change. So what will do this using Kyoto Protocol to reduce the greenhouse gas? For reducing the greenhouse gas, Kyoto Protocol is formed. So where it formed? So at Kyoto city, Kyoto Nagara, at Kyoto city, Japan. In Japan, at Kyoto city, the Kyoto Protocol is arranged. When 11th of December 1997, 11th of December 1997 at Kyoto in Japan, this Kyoto Protocol convention is done on the topic of international treaty on climate change. So due to Kyoto Protocol, main aim is to reduce the greenhouse gas. This is the most important topic, this Kyoto Protocol. Next one is Montreal Protocol. Montreal Protocol means Montreal Protocol is the international treaty on ozone production. What is the international treaty on ozone production? Montreal Protocol. Like this way, they will ask. Okay, what is the international treaty on ozone production? Montreal Protocol, Kyoto Protocol, like this. They will ask which one is Montreal Protocol is the international treaty on ozone production. When it was agreed on 16th of 9th 1987, they agreed the Montreal Protocol. So agreed on 16th of August 1987, but with the effective date is 1/1/1989. This Montreal Protocol affected by the 1/1/1989. So Montreal Protocol on International Treaty on Ozone Production. This is also very important. Next one is Rio Summit. Rio Summit is nothing but United Nations Conference on Environment and Development. Okay, either Rio Summit or United Nations Conference on Environment and Development. Okay, also called it Rio Summit, United Nations Conference on Environment and Development, which held in Rio City from 3rd to 14th of June 1992. In this date, that Rio Summit was held in Rio City. Okay, on which topic? United Nations Conference on Environment and Development. These three concepts are most useful. These three conventions are most important for the examination, for the all competitive level examinations. Again, further convention is on convention and meeting is Paris Agreement. This is also most important. Paris Agreement is a convention on climate change done for the purpose of convention on climate change, greenhouse emission mitigation, greenhouse emission mitigation signed by 190 countries in 2016. In Paris Agreement, how many countries are signed? Like this also they will ask. They asked already in the previous examination how many countries are signed in the Paris Agreement. 196 countries are signed in the Paris Agreement in 2016. So this is one of the major convention and meeting this topic. Next, Convention on Biodiversity, International Solar Alliance, Convention on endangered species. These three are not that much important, so that's why I don't want to discuss this Convention on Biodiversity, International Solar Alliances, next Convention on endangered species. This is the most important topic which for all competitive level examinations, convention and meeting topic. Next, I move on to the next topic is that one is facts and figures. This facts and figures is the in the fact and figures also they will ask one question. So mainly power generation, power generation or targets and facts. India, what are the targets of India? What are the world target power generations? And facts. These targets and facts power generation are most useful. So you must collect targets and facts of power generation. Next, per capita energy consumption is Russia is the most energy consumption per capita. Next, per capita carbon dioxide emission is which country is carbon dioxide emission per capita? China. China is the most per capita carbon dioxide emission. Next, per capita water consumption is USA. In USA water consumption is very huge. The per capita water consumption is which country? USA. So next, renewable energy sources. This renewable energy sources targets and facts also most important. Up to now, we in this people and environment we discussed the pollution and pollutants. Pollution and pollutants. They ask one question. Next, causes of pollution and effects of pollution. They must ask one question. Next, all pollution and pollutants, causes of pollution, effects of pollution, they will ask one question. Important dates, on important days, they will ask one question. Next, convention and meeting, they will ask two questions. Next, facts and figures, also on facts and figures also, they will ask one questions. Next, thank you. If you like this video, subscribe it and share it to your friends. Thank you very much. Thank you one and all.